Sideboards. Oh my God, what an archaic form of marketing. It is absolutely...
Rubbish.
Well, it's not, it's actually brilliant.
No, what you're talking is rubbish.
Oh, that was brilliant. That was brilliant. I wasn't expecting that.
No, I think they're no different than flyers, you know. I think in some respects we've gone a little bit more old school. We've gone a little bit more personable. I think people did a lot online, did everything online, whereas now we seem to be coming back to the whole concept of people buying people and the flyers and siteboards. You know, we've just done one about sign-written vans. I think they're really, really valuable.
You were saying to Liam this morning, oops, sorry. Our lads were leaving out to do a kitchen.
It's local.
Yeah, it's what, about 10 minutes?
Yeah.
And what
Is it literally, it's in between home and the workshop.
Yeah.
And I said to him, you really do need to get sideboards done. They haven't got a sign written van. We've been pushing them to do the sign writing on the van and they just won't spend the bloody money. But yeah, I mean, sideboard would have been perfect, obviously, unless it's down a little lane, but you can hopefully put the sideboard at the end. Yes, we've had sideboards going missing and stuff like that, but for how much they are, they've got one sat on Canva that was designed before. But I can't remember if it was a phone number. I think it's a phone number that's changed. You know, it's literally a 5-minute fix and they don't cost a lot to get done. But yeah, sideboards and flyers. You know, they could be leaflet dropping while they're in that local town to get stuff done. They post in the local Facebook group for that area, which obviously they've got a lot of work from. But yeah, I personally think a sideboard is still valuable.
I think as well, it's not just that. Like Lindsay said, we do things like we drop flyers and things. There's nothing better than a customer driving into the same road and actually seeing a sideboard and go, oh, Carol's having some, oh, she's having a new kitchen done, or she's having, you know, it sparks that interest and it sparks that conversation. So when the customer now sees Carol, then she knows what's going on. And if you drop a flyer through that door as well and actually say on the flyer that we're working at number 72, you can even put your Carol's name on it. It is really, really powerful. So having the sideboards is really good. I believe that marketing as a whole is marketing. It's a combination of things. And we'll talk about that and we'll put it all together in another video. So again, question is, have you got sideboards? Are you religiously good with them? You put them out all the time? If so, for how long? Do you put them out just for the job or longer than the job? How many do you have? And genuinely, just one simple question. Maybe we do a poll. You know, have you got a sideboard? Do they work? Yes or no?
Do you think they're a waste of time?
Yeah, but do they work? So,
yeah.
Guys, let us know.